Guys, hi. So 3 tips that I think will instantly improve your photography game. One would be looking at your angle, how you're shooting the image. Create a sense of feel, create an emotion. So everyone goes and shoots the image the same way. Just take a few minutes to think, okay, maybe I can take it from the left or the right, or maybe really close, and this will give you a sense of feeling. Some emotion will be created. So really, angles are super important. Photography is actually you're taking a three-dimensional plane and you're squishing it into a photograph which is 2D. So you're losing one. So somehow you're going to make this image dynamic, and you've got to give it some spice. So think about your angle, think differently, and take 10 seconds out just to think, how can I make this different? What is everyone shooting? And make it different. The second thing I would say is framing is probably the most important thing. Is what is your subject? Am I your subject, or is the bird behind me the subject? You're going to change your camera settings to get that subject into focus. Camera settings is a whole game. This is not a technical video. So, but think about what is your subject. What do you want to convey? Get all your compositional guidelines as well, your rule of thirds, your leading lines, your center composition, and they all are very valid, and you learn about these things. But generally going out and shooting, just think about what is the subject, what story am I creating? And the third thing is lighting. Do you want to go out and shoot in broad daylight and have really bright lighting? Probably not. You want to have a little bit moody. So go out and shoot in the morning, or go shoot out in the evening and catch the night lights, catch the sky becoming different colors, or go out shooting in cloudy weather or just after the rain. I mean, these are all special effects that can just make your images pop. These are really 3 simple tricks that you could do every day. Go out and practice them, and think about angles, lighting, and framing. And from there, your photography will develop. So I hope you enjoyed. Catch me on social media. I'm very active on Instagram and here on YouTube. And please subscribe. Hope you liked the video. Ciao.